Hi, I'm Riyad Fathi and thank you for joining me today. I want to share with you some knowledge about the Oracle Cloud and our new autonomous services based on machine learning and artificial intelligence. I'll tell you a great customer story and we'll do a short demo on how you can create your own free cloud account and how you can spin up an autonomous data warehouse service in just a few minutes. Our mission at Oracle is to help you realize your tomorrow today. When we think about Oracle Cloud Platform, it really is the ultimate expression of that mission. It spans every layer of cloud: data as a service, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Oracle's application suite, platform, and infrastructure leverage both the latest technologies and emerging ones, including artificial intelligence, platform automation, machine learning, blockchain, and Internet of Things. The Oracle Autonomous Cloud represents an entirely new category of software automation based on machine learning, a technology that's every bit as revolutionary as the Internet. The availability of our autonomous data warehouse and autonomous database is an important milestone. What makes it so special are these core attributes: self-driving, which means it automatically provisions, secures, monitors, backs up, tunes, and upgrades; self-securing, automatically applying security patches with no downtime; and finally it's self-repairing, maximizing uptime and productivity with 99.995% availability, which is less than 2.5 minutes of both planned and unplanned downtime a month. Our most important category is the Autonomous Database Cloud, which is comprised of two key services. The first is Autonomous Data Warehouse Cloud, which allows you to deploy new or move existing data marts and data warehouses to the cloud. The second is Autonomous OLTP Database Cloud, designed for both small businesses as well as high-performance, mission-critical databases that are designed to run millions of transactions per second. For both, we've automated key database functions like indexing, caching, and compression. We're using machine learning-based self-tuning to optimize query performance, and we're also using self-driving diagnostics for fault prediction and error handling. Let me tell you the story of one of our customers and how they gained some great benefits by using the Autonomous Data Warehouse. With hundreds of locations in Europe and 10,000 customer touchpoints a day, a leading car hire company needed a solution that would deliver secure, enterprise-class, data-driven solutions for their organization. To address this, they are upgrading their current environment to take advantage of the benefits of Autonomous Data Warehouse Cloud. They discovered that with the Autonomous Data Warehouse, they can easily provision new databases quickly. What used to take weeks now can be done in under 8 minutes. This translated to a 70% time reduction to get new data-driven projects implemented. And this ultimately had a huge impact for them. Every hour removed from administration could now be spent on innovation. Let me show you how you can have your own Oracle free cloud account and how you can start using the Autonomous Data Warehouse. If you go to cloud.oracle.com, you can try for free all the infrastructure as a service and platform as a service Oracle offers. You can spin up databases, compute, storage, developer tools, integration, and analytics, and our autonomous services in just a few minutes. The process is simple. Click on the Try for Free button, and you'll have access to 3,500 hours for 30 days of the Oracle Cloud Platform. To create a free account won't take you more than 5 minutes and is very straightforward. You fill in your account details, like account name, email address, regions, and country. Then you need to have a verification code sent to you on your mobile number. The last step is the credit card details. You won't be charged at the end of the 30 days unless you manually select to upgrade the account. You may see a small temporary charge on your payment method. This is just a verification hold that will be removed automatically. And then you agree to the terms and conditions, and that's it. Your cloud account is ready. After logging in into the Oracle Cloud account, this is the main dashboard you have. To create an autonomous data warehouse, we just go to the Create Instance and select All Services. We scroll down to Data Management and we select Autonomous Database. Now from the left-hand menu, we click on Autonomous Data Warehouse and we create the new service. We give it a name and also a database name. As you can see here, we have the CPU core and the storage set to 1. You can change these now or even after the service is created. Now we give it root or administrator credentials so you can access the Autonomous Data Warehouse later on. And that's it. It will take a few minutes to be ready. Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse Cloud comes with a sample data of 6 billion rows. You can use Oracle Analytics Cloud to connect to the Autonomous Data Warehouse and extract meaningful insights from your day-to-day business. This is a quick report of profit by product, brand, and region. The report took 102 seconds when ADW was running on 4 CPUs. Executing the same report after increasing the CPU number to 16, the query time dropped to 13 seconds. While doing the scale-up, the queries run uninterrupted with no impact on performance or availability. And also you have visualization dashboards with charts and world maps. Those are just one of the benefits our customers came to enjoy. Try it for free at cloud.oracle.com and you'll find us here to help you out. Thank you for watching.